Raceway here in Wolfenstone, Indiana, for the 68th edition of the Xfinity FA Motocross of Nations. It's Blue Cru action once again.
It's been Yamaha US's pleasure to host the BLU CRU SuperFinale event, where we've invited nations from across the globe to come and join the top American riders to compete in the 65, 85, and 125 classes.
Hi, I'm Talon Hampton. I'm from the USA. I am from Ecuador, Poland, Amsterdam,
Great Britain, Dubai, soy de Venezuela, Colombia,
Canada, New Zealand,
Iceland.
This is actually the first time it's been hosted in the US. It's historically hosted in Europe. So we have about 100 kids here representing 13 countries. So it's been a pretty exciting weekend of racing.
What I think really sets Blue Cru apart and kind of makes it what I feel is extra special and maybe better than what everybody else does in the industry is that we don't focus only on just the racer and the results of a racer. We want to provide the rider, the racer, the opportunity to grow, get better, get faster, but at the same time, we want to provide an opportunity for their whole family, their team, to be part of a community and feel like they really belong.
Giving riders and their families a place to call home is kind of what Blue Cru is all about. We've really focused on 3 core pillars: racing, training, and community and family. So we're having the kids race on a world stage, hopefully once in a lifetime experience for them. And then this is something that they're doing with their families and also their Yamaha family as well.
We really build relationships, it's such a family vibe, everyone's having a good time. Yamaha puts on a great event, and it's just nothing but good stuff here.
Blue Cru is a community based around Yamaha and the lifestyle of Yamaha people. It gives people who own a Yamaha a chance to do things that no other brand can offer and experiences that no other people can get.
We're the only brand that are doing this, starting with the kids, 65, 85, 125. And when we already discovered when people are connected with Blue, they will stay in the Yamaha family forever.
I had a few riders' parents come up to me this week, and there was a couple sound bites that really stood out in my mind. Like, you're really changing these kids' lives. Bringing these riders for experiences like this is pretty pinnacle.
To watch them on the racetrack is like the cherry on top. To engage with them in a tent full of Yamaha Blue bikes is incredible. It's amazing, it's fun, it's awesome.
Who's it going to be that grabs that all-important hole shot? Give me a magnifying glass so I can pick out these numbers on these tiny number boards of these 65cc riders. About 3 corners away now from the checkered flag as Powell goes through on brush. Chandler Powell wins the YT65 Blue Cru World SuperFinale here in Ironman Raceway, Indiana. Letting everybody know that he is the number 1.
It was so awesome. It was like my dream. To win that SuperFinale, it's super awesome. It's great.
Gates drop. Everybody away. Ryder sweeping in from the outside there. Number 4 taking a punt, taking over the lead. Jaden Smart. That was a very, very tight between Smart and Morgan. The pace and the consistency of these two. This for the win. And taking the flag is going to be the number 4 of Jaden Smart. Big win for him. "25 minutes plus 2 then. Charging down into that first turn. Number 4 of Johnson leading the way. Cooper Johnson, who is just over a lap away from taking victory in this race. He's been pretty immaculate, doubles his way towards the Monster Energy finish line. He likes the candles, winning at this iconic Ironman Raceway.
It's just awesome. First ever 125 race, coming out and showing what I could do. Blue Cru is great. They helped me so much. Yamaha, best.
It's been a really special few days. Talked to a lot of the families. Again, some of them with tears in their eyes, just as how much this experience has meant to them. They've often used, that once in a lifetime experience or memory that they're building here. And it's been really special for us, watching these kids come through the Blue Cru Invitational races and then here, kind of feels like they're part of our family, and then we're watching them grow and again, do something that hopefully they'll remember forever.
We had a lot of good finishes here, results. We had Chandler Powell on the 65 win the championship there, and then on the 125 we came second. And our 125 racer came up to me afterwards, and after he got off the podium, he said to me, he's like, "This is so cool." He's like, "I know what it feels like to be like Tomac now," which is just such a cool thing, right? Like to think at this stage with this event, like that's how much this means to these kids.
This is a money can't buy experience. They get an opportunity to not just race on the same track as the best guys in the world, but be part of the atmosphere, part of the event, and part of the weekend that is Motocross of Nations, and it's irreplaceable.
We have one more Blue Cru Invitational race this year, later in November in Alabama, and it'll actually serve as the first qualifier for our 2026 efforts. This MX-01 race will go back to Europe next year, and so we're hoping to give some of our riders the opportunity to go over there and compete on that world stage.
Thank you very much. I'll see you next year in France.
Let's go Blue Cru. Fly Blue Cru.
Go Blue Cru.
Y voy con el Blue Cru.